So another question that we get is my floor plan too complicated? Is my house too weird to actually accommodate a robotic vacuum? And the answer is probably not. Most of these robots now have intelligent algorithms they use to navigate around your space. And the more expensive ones actually will map your floor plan. So if you have lots of chairs with legs, if you have small side tables, they will accommodate that. Now be aware that the cheaper, less expensive products that actually just do built-in cleaning patterns, if you have lots of little things scattered around the floor, yes, those will have trouble. Corners, getting under furniture, most of them can actually handle that. Another question we get is, what if I have 2 floors? Well, guess what? You need to pick up your robotic vacuum and take it up to the next floor. We don't fall off stairs, but we don't go up them either. So just think about these things as you decide which is the right robotic vacuum cleaner for yourself, and you'll get the best experience possible.